Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because we are shooting on the Olympus mju first version again, but I have some new film. So I've never shot on Kodak Portra 400 before and I'm super stoked about that. I'm in my little Chinese community. It's about 100 years old in Shanghai, China. So we're just gonna walk around today, do behind the scenes of what kind of shots we can get with Kodak Portra 400 and the Olympus mju 1. So I'm going to be a little bit more intentional today about what I actually shoot because I only have 3 rolls of Kodak Portra 400 for 2 weeks to take with me on vacation. So I'm on Christmas holidays right now and I got to make it last. So right now I'm trying to use 12 photos just for kind of this community and the surrounding area where I live. P.S. One of the coolest things to take pictures of around here are, yes, the plants, but if you just look above you, there's laundry hanging absolutely everywhere you look, and it makes for like a really interesting, cool shot. All right, we got 7 shots so far. I'm just vibing to some Coda and super happy I'm finally shooting this place because when I move home to Canada, away from China, I'm gonna miss places like these because it's just so unique and so different. So I just took a picture of this here, and one thing I'm learning with film is that you have to be so intentional with your shots because you're really limited. I just spent $100 on film. That is nothing special. It was just some lady cooking up some fish and doing dishes and things like that. But what I really like is like this is so much different than Canada, where it's not a Chipotle, it's not a Subway, it's not a McDonald's or anything like that. And this area is just so like rich with history and culture, and I just love living here. So they're testing my temperature coming back in. Okay. 31.9。
怎么这么低啊？
对，你好，师傅。脚拼的。师傅，名字？名字？
名字？
对。不一样。All right, and just like that, we are back to the start. I took 13 pictures. That was my first time shooting Kodak Portra 400, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. You guys know what it looks like, but I don't. If you would like to join the community, please subscribe and leave a like. Talk in the next one. Bye.